Abu Dhabi disrupted, British Airways cancels flights. In a surprising turn of events, British Airways has made a significant announcement that has left many travelers in a state of uncertainty and disappointment. British Airways has announced the cancellation of all direct flights from London Heathrow to Abu Dhabi. This decision is particularly impactful as it affects one of the most popular routes for both business and leisure travelers. This decision comes as a blow to travelers planning trips to the United Arab Emirates capital city. Many had already made extensive plans, including hotel bookings and business meetings, which now need to be reconsidered or cancelled. The cancellations will be in effect for a significant portion of 2024, starting on March 31st and lasting until October 25th. This 7-month period covers a time when many people travel for summer vacations, business conferences, and other important events. Passengers who have already booked flights during this period are left scrambling to make alternative arrangements. The sudden change has caused a flurry of activity as people try to find alternative routes and airlines to reach their destinations. The airline attributed the cancellations to ongoing supply chain issues affecting its fleet of Boeing 787 aircraft. These issues have caused delays in maintenance and the availability of aircraft, making it difficult for British Airways to maintain its scheduled flights. These aircraft are crucial for BA's long-haul operations, including the popular London to Abu Dhabi route. The Boeing 787 is known for its fuel efficiency and passenger comfort, making it a preferred choice for long-distance travel. The disruptions are a stark reminder of the interconnected nature of the aviation industry, where problems in one area can have far-reaching consequences. The supply chain issues affecting the Boeing 787 have a ripple effect, impacting not just British Airways, but also the passengers and businesses that rely on these flights. British Airways has assured passengers that they are working diligently to resolve these issues and minimize the impact on travelers. They are offering full refunds or rebooking options for affected passengers, but the inconvenience and disruption are undeniable. As the airline navigates these challenges, it serves as a reminder of the complexities involved in global air travel. From supply chain logistics to passenger satisfaction, every aspect must be meticulously managed to ensure smooth operations. For now, passengers are advised to stay updated with the latest information from British Airways and to explore alternative travel options. The airline industry, like many others, is facing unprecedented challenges, and adaptability is key for both airlines and travelers alike. The situation underscores the importance of flexibility and preparedness in travel planning. While British Airways works to address the supply chain issues, passengers are encouraged to remain patient and proactive in managing their travel plans. In the ever-evolving landscape of air travel, disruptions like these highlight the need for resilience and adaptability. British Airways, along with its passengers, will undoubtedly navigate through these turbulent times, emerging stronger and more prepared for the future. Engine troubles ground flights. The aviation industry is facing a significant challenge as engine issues have led to the grounding of numerous flights. At the heart of the cancellations lie problems with the engines that power BA's Boeing 787 Dreamliners. These advanced aircraft, known for their efficiency and long-range capabilities, are now at a standstill. These aircraft are equipped with engines manufactured by Rolls Royce, a renowned British engineering firm. Rolls Royce has a long history of producing high-quality engines, but even the best can face challenges. However, Rolls Royce has been grappling with supply chain challenges, leading to delays in the delivery of crucial engine parts. The global supply chain has been under immense pressure, affecting various industries, including aviation. The delays have created a backlog in engine maintenance and repairs. Technicians are working around the clock to address these issues, but the sheer volume of work has made it difficult to keep up. As a result, a number of BA's Boeing 787s are currently grounded, awaiting essential parts. This has had a ripple effect on the airline's operations, causing significant disruptions. The airline has been forced to make difficult decisions about which routes to prioritize, leading to the cancellation of the Abu Dhabi service. Passengers are facing inconvenience and frustration as they navigate these unexpected changes. Travelers are left scrambling to find alternative flights, and the customer service teams are inundated with calls and complaints. The impact of these engine troubles extends beyond just the grounded planes. It affects the entire travel experience. Behind the scenes, engineers and executives are working tirelessly to find solutions. Meetings are held to strategize and expedite the repair process. But the complexity of the situation means that a quick fix is unlikely. The aviation industry is resilient, and efforts are being made to overcome these challenges. While the current situation is far from ideal, there is hope that with time and coordinated efforts, normalcy will be restored. Until then, passengers and airlines alike must navigate this turbulent period with patience and understanding. The skies will be busy again, but for now, the grounded planes serve as a reminder of the intricate dance of technology and logistics that keeps the world connected. Supply chain issues. Plague Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce, a stalwart of British engineering, has found itself entangled in a web of supply chain disruptions. The company, known for its precision and excellence, is now grappling with unprecedented challenges that threaten to disrupt its operations. The company has acknowledged that it is facing difficulties in sourcing certain components for its aircraft engines. These components are not just any parts, they are critical to the performance and safety of the engines, making the situation even more dire. These components are often highly specialized and require precise manufacturing processes. The intricate nature of these parts means that even a small delay or disruption can have significant consequences for the entire production line. The global supply chain disruptions, exacerbated by factors such as the COVID-19 pandemic and geopolitical tensions, have had a ripple effect across industries. The pandemic has caused widespread factory shutdowns, labor shortages, and transportation bottlenecks, all of which have contributed to the current crisis. The aerospace sector, reliant on complex global supply chains, has been particularly vulnerable. The interconnected nature of the industry means that a disruption in one part of the world can have far-reaching impacts on production and delivery schedules. Rolls-Royce's engine troubles are a stark illustration of the challenges faced by manufacturers in the current economic climate. The company is working tirelessly to mitigate these issues, but the road to recovery is fraught with obstacles. As the world continues to navigate these turbulent times, the resilience and adaptability of companies like Rolls-Royce will be put to the test. Passenger frustration mounts as travel plans disrupted. The cancellation of BA's direct flights to Abu Dhabi has left many passengers frustrated and inconvenienced. Travelers who had booked flights months in advance now find themselves having to rearrange their itineraries. Business travelers face disruptions to important meetings and conferences, while holidaymakers are left grappling with the uncertainty surrounding their travel plans. The cancellations highlight the importance of travel insurance, which can provide coverage for unexpected disruptions. Passengers are advised to contact their insurance providers to explore their options for compensation and alternative travel arrangements. British Airways offers alternative routes. In an effort to mitigate the disruption to passengers, British Airways is offering alternative travel options. One option is to reroute passengers through other major hubs in the Middle East. Passengers can choose to fly from Heathrow to Doha or Dubai, both served by BA, and then connect to Abu Dhabi on a partner airline. While this option allows passengers to reach their final destination, it comes with the added inconvenience of a layover. Passengers will need to factor in additional travel time and potential delays when considering this alternative. Partner airlines step in. To provide passengers with more choices, British Airways is collaborating with its partner airlines to offer alternative flights to Abu Dhabi. Etihad Airways, the national airline of the United Arab Emirates, and Qatar Airways, based in Doha, are both offering connecting flights from Heathrow to Abu Dhabi. Passengers can opt to be rebooked onto these partner airlines, ensuring a smoother journey without the need for a layover. This collaboration between airlines highlights the importance of partnerships in providing passengers with flexible travel options during disruptions. Gatwick emerges as a temporary hub. For those seeking a direct flight from London to Abu Dhabi, British Airways is offering the option of flying from Gatwick Airport instead of Heathrow. While Gatwick is London's second busiest airport, it typically handles fewer long-haul flights compared to Heathrow. This temporary shift in operations allows BA to utilize aircraft not affected by the engine issues for the Abu Dhabi route. Passengers opting for this alternative should be prepared for a different airport experience and potentially longer transfer times from central London. British Airways apologizes for inconvenience. British Airways has expressed its apologies to passengers affected by the flight cancellations. The airline acknowledges the frustration and disruption caused by the unexpected changes to travel plans. BA has emphasized its commitment to assisting passengers in finding suitable alternative arrangements. Passengers are encouraged to contact BA's customer service team for assistance with rebooking, refunds, or general inquiries related to the cancellations. The airline is working to ensure that affected passengers are kept informed of their options and receive appropriate support. Looking ahead, uncertainty remains. As the aviation industry continues to grapple with supply chain challenges, uncertainty hangs over the future of BA's Abu Dhabi route. While the cancellations are currently scheduled to last until October 25, 2024, there is no guarantee that the situation will not extend further. The airline is closely monitoring the situation with Rolls Royce and the wider supply chain. Passengers planning travel to Abu Dhabi beyond October 2024 are advised to stay informed about any potential changes to flight schedules and consider flexible booking options.